Well, hi there. Warm welcome. You're watching the Election Premier League here on Times Now with me, Meghna Dekha. Well, exactly 27 days to go when Amethi will be going in for polls. Union Minister and BJP's incumbent MP and candidate from Amethi, Smriti Irani, has hit the ground running. She's connecting with the voters, holding Lok Sabhas as well as Sabhas, and doing everything that's expected from a contestant who's fighting the election from this very VVIP, a prestige battle that is being fought. On the other hand, the Congress party, which has held the seat of Amethi for the longest time before 2019, is still hinging its bets on one leader. But he's yet to make up his mind. Well, no points for guessing whom we are talking about. Well, Rahul Gandhi has been facing pressure from the UP unit as well as the local cadres of Congress to fight from Amethi. Sources tell Times Now that Congress may announce Rahul Gandhi's candidature from Amethi after April 26th. Well, Smriti Irani, of course, is working on war footing. She's repeatedly attacking the Gandhi side. This time, she's asking him that जीजाजी की नजर अमेठी पे है, इस बार साले साहब क्या करेंगे? Well, listen it.
देखिए, जीजाजी की नजर है तो साले साहब क्या करेंगे? बड़े बुजुर्ग जब बस में सफर किया करते थे, 5 मिनट के लिए सीट छोड़ के कहीं जाना होता था, तो बुजुर्ग अपनी जेब में से रुमाल निकाल के सीट के ऊपर छोड़ दिया करता था कि बैठना मत, हमारी सीट है। करते थे कि नहीं करते थे? तो राहुल गांधी भी रुमाल छोड़ने आएंगे, चिंता न करो। मोदी का अनुमान हमको बनना है, कांग्रेस की भ्रष्ट लंका में अपनी पूंछ से आग लगाना।
Well, on the ground in Amethi, the Congress workers and supporters are pinning their hopes on Rahul Gandhi to take on Smriti Irani. In fact, they have just one demand, that their leader should fight for prestige and wrest back the bastion that he lost miserably at that in 2019 to Smriti Irani. From Uttar Pradesh to New Delhi, the leaders of the Congress party want the Gandhi scion to contest from the seat that was once the Gandhi bastion. Listen.
नहीं, राहुल गांधी चाहता है अमेठी में लड़े का। राहुल गांधी यही है, अमेठी में लड़ी है। अब पूरी के पूरी अमेठी चाहती है कि राहुल गांधी आए। सारे लोग चाहते हैं, यहाँ तक कि भाजपा के और पार्टियों के लोग भी चाहते हैं कि अब की राहुल गांधी, अब की बार राहुल गांधी
लड़ेंगे। राहुल गांधी
एकदम पक्का
नहीं, ये बात बिल्कुल गलत है। राहुल गांधी और उनकी फैमिली सब यहाँ के लिए बिल्कुल हर तरीके से तैयार है और राहुल गांधी जी चुनाव यहाँ लड़ेंगे 101% आपको कहता हूँ। और जब खबर आ जाए तो हमसे फिर बात कर लीजिए।
कौन बताया नहीं लड़ना चाहते? पूरी अमेठी चाहती है, कांग्रेस नहीं, पूरी अमेठी चाहती है कि राहुल गांधी अमेठी चुनाव लड़े। जी
लड़ेंगे चुनाव,
बिल्कुल लड़ेंगे। राहुल गांधी ही चुनाव लड़ेंगे।
जनपद में अमेठी का आम कार्यकर्ता राहुल गांधी की तरह राहुल गांधी बनकर चुनाव की तैयारी कर रहा है, चुनाव लड़ रहा है। स्मृति ईरानी भाजपा की नाराजगी का कांग्रेस पार्टी को लाभ मिल रहा है। कांग्रेस पार्टी का जो संगठन है, चाहे पूर्वा प्रभारी हो, चाहे ग्राम सभा के अध्यक्ष हो, चाहे पोलिंग के प्रभारी हो, सब मिलकर काम कर रहे हैं। और निश्चित रूप से जो आगामी नामांकन के लिए है, हम कल से नामांकन के लिए नामांकन अभियान के तहत एक सुनिश्चित डेट जो जल्द तय हो जाएगी, उसके तहत भी तैयारी शुरू करेंगे। अमेठी का आम निवासी जन राहुल गांधी जी अमेठी के सांसद बनेंगे, यहाँ से सांसद बनकर देश के प्रधानमंत्री बनेंगे, इस उम्मीद के साथ राहुल जी को चुनाव लड़ने की तैयारी कर रहा है।
Well, let me go across to our panelists. Joining us today on the show, Neha Joshi, BJP spokesperson. Romesh Sabharwal is also joining us, a leader with the Congress party. Mr. Sabharwal, I'm going to come to you first because we just heard a lot of your cadres coming out and saying that we are very confident that Rahul Gandhi is going to be contesting from Amethi. Why is he not? If he wants to, after all, that's the seat he contested from last time around, even though he did lose by, if I'm not mistaken, about 5 lakh votes to Smriti Irani. Kya Rahul Gandhi dar gaye? At least that's what the BJP says.
किसने kindly facts update, kindly find out your facts, you know, he lost by 50,000 votes. Who is telling you 5 lakhs votes? She lost by 5 lakhs votes before that. In Amethi, she lost first election.
So how much did Rahul
Gandhi
lost
first
lose?
Election.
How much did Rahul Gandhi lose by to Smriti Irani?
And listen me. 50,000 से हारे थे, 5 लाख से नहीं हारे थे।
ओके, बट हारे थे।
अब करेक्शन करिए अपने फैक्ट।
हारे थे।
दूसरी बात,
हारे थे, ये तो बता दीजिए।
हारे थे क्यों नहीं हारे थे?
अच्छा,
हारे थे क्यों नहीं हारे थे? We lost. Yeah, we lost. Universal truth है। This seat belongs to Rajiv ji, Sanjay ji, Sonia ji,
बताइए,
and Rahul ji. This seat belongs to Rahul ji, Rajiv ji, Sonia ji, Sanjay ji. They have done so much work for Amethi. We feel proud of that. Last time they misguided. The people of Amethi now are crying that Rahul Gandhi should contest. Every day we are getting the voices from their cadre and the people of Amethi. How much Rajiv ji has done work for Amethi, how much Sonia ji has done for Amethi, how much Rahul ji, we know that. Because we are party cadre, we know that how much they have taken the kids का बच्चों का एडमिशन कराना, बच्चों को MBBS कराना, बच्चों को इंजीनियरिंग कराना, उनकी नौकरी. He will come back. He will come back. When the time will come, he'll come back.
तो किसकी वेट कर रहे हैं?
You can't force him to come back. No, we can't force him to come. When the time will come, he will go. When the time will come, he's campaigning all over the country. Amethi is his own house. एक बार हो गई गलती अमेठी वालों से, बार-बार थोड़ा होती है. You will see that how Smriti Irani will go. अभी बोल रहे थे हनुमान का मतलब मोदी का हनुमान भगवान को इक्वेट करते हैं लॉर्ड राम के साथ, मोदी के साथ. क्या हो रहा है इस देश में?
आप भी तो बोल रहे हो कि वो सीट रिजर्व है. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में तो कोई सीट वैसे रिजर्व नहीं होनी चाहिए. बट लेट्स नॉट डिविएट फ्रॉम दिस. Neha Joshi, they are saying, so what if Rahul Gandhi wants to take his time, let Wayanad go into poll, उसके बाद बोले, जब मर्जी बोले. Why is BJP so worried about whether or not Rahul Gandhi will come to Amethi or return to Amethi or not?
Thank you, Meghna. Meghna, since my colleague from the Congress party was so, adamant on correcting you, let me also correct him here. That Smriti ji lost to Rahul Gandhi in 2014 by 1 lakh votes, and Rahul Gandhi lost to Smriti ji by 55,000 votes. So there was no 5 lakh ka haar for Smriti Irani even previously. Now, coming to the current elections, again, if you look at the Congress spokesperson's words, he's saying this seat belongs to the Gandhis. I am sorry, sir, this seat belongs to the people of Amethi. Nobody that India isn't a dictatorship. India is a vibrant democracy. Amethi voted the Gandhi family out. He had to go take shelter in Wayanad, and even in Wayanad, your Gathbandhan partners are questioning why is he in Wayanad now. So as far as Amethi is concerned, Smriti Irani has literally converted Amethi into a BJP bastion. Okay. I have personally travelled across Amethi. The kind of ground connect that Smriti Irani enjoys in Amethi, I'm absolutely certain. And, Meghna, I'd like to suggest this, that one of the gentlemen, you interviewed, probably a Congress worker, said that even BJP workers want कि Rahul Gandhi contest करे. Actually, we want कि Rahul Gandhi contest करे. पिछली बार हार में कोई कसर रह गई. But Neha,
isn't there a possibility they'll pull a rabbit out of a hat and BJP will be baffled? Maybe it's possible, as even Smriti Irani was saying, that it's possible Robert Vadra, who's eyeing that seat, for all you know, there may be a dark horse in the run. How confident is BJP? Why are you so confident?
Meghna, I appreciate your sense of humor. And to think that a person like Robert Vadra, who's supposed to be a land mafia and who has nothing good to his credit except being married into a certain family, if you think he can give any competition to Smriti Irani, who has, who spent the last 5 years serving the people of Amethi, I think that...
So you are saying in Amethi there is no contest. So you are saying in Amethi there is no contest, but the Congress is very clear that this time around it is going to be Rahul Gandhi. Not only will he contest, we are still waiting for that announcement to happen, but he will also win. We'll have to wait and see. 4th of June, both of you...
27 days left to election, that they don't have a candidate. That's how clear they are.
Well, as Mr. Romesh Sabharwal has said, he is in no rush. He will take his own time and decide. After all, Amethi unhi ki hai. But thank you so much, Neha Joshi, for joining us here on the show, as well as Romesh Sabharwal. Pleasure to have you here. Unfortunately, we are out of time, Mr. Sabharwal. See you on the other side of a short break.